So, I finally found the rattle I've been looking for. And it turns out it was a brake pad. Now this rattle's cost me a fortune. I've replaced the hub. I've replaced the tyres on the wheels. I've replaced the rod ends. All to do with a pad on the sensor. When you come around the other side, it's exactly the same. This is a Mercedes E350 2010. Oh, not as bad this side, but you can certainly hear it when you're driving. I've been told it was a snap shock, so an easy fix, thank God. So if you've got a similar problem, check your pads first before it costs you hundreds, possibly thousands, and other parts that have got nothing to do with it.